You're talking about Faribault. We're going to go northeast of Faribault. You talked about Dennison, and we got some video in here of hail hitting a glass greenhouse out there. Fortunately, it doesn't seem like anything was shattered, but you can hear it trickling along the glass there. And
I think we had more videos in Dennison. Did we have another hail video in Dennison?
There it is. Yeah.
And is that covering the
porch? I think it looks like a screened-in porch, but that can get through that.
Oh my gosh.
Doesn't it look like that?
That's Dennison too. And again, Dennison kind of southwest of Cannon Falls, where we've been seeing things on our traffic map, but that is quite the sight. Definitely shows you the amount of hail that some people are dealing with. Wow.
Yeah.
We have Faribault too.
Faribault.
Look at Faribault.
Oh, the size of a golf ball. Some hail that fell there. I think this might be from Shelly Angel, and then
now, plenty of it. Got a pile of it there.
They're like softballs right there.
That can do some damage.
Just just south of Northfield, and we haven't really seen up in Dennison. They seem to be getting the brunt of it there.
Yeah, that's some good size hail. If they want to take a look out at the roads north of Cannon Falls, we've definitely seen cars sheltering under this underpass, as we've seen hail on this camera on and off for the last few minutes. 52 northbound. This is just north of Cannon Falls. You see that car there, pulling over, taking cover, and we've seen cars doing that progressively. Then people pull off and go a couple more miles and might have to pull over again. Lisa, it's kind of that kind of drive out there tonight.
It's not recommended. I've seen people do that, and then people will actually block traffic, and that's how you just end up getting in a car accident. I would not recommend stopping on the road. You want to try to exit if that's the case. Also, if it's not just a hailstorm and there's a tornado warning that does happen to pop up, you don't want to be in that area. So not recommended it, because I've seen it in the past. You get hail and people will actually stop on the roadways, and that just is heading into the potential for a car accident. So not a safe situation there. The good news is things are starting to wind down with this specific storm cell. Tornado warning has expired. We are still looking at a severe thunderstorm, the latest severe thunderstorm warning, and also a flash flood warning. Two of those are in place. It's Goodhue County where we have the severe thunderstorm warning, and this is where you're still dealing with the potential for hail. But again, that tornado warning has expired. We're also looking at that blue areas where we have the flash flood warning. Of course, that is another issue because it does bring in the potential of roadway problems. They've been dealing with a lot of rain. They've had 1 to 3 inches so far in that region. Another 1 to 2 inch per hour rainfall rate is possible in this area. So that flash flood warning, it does go until 11 p.m. So we could be dealing with a flash flood concern continuing for a while. I'll zoom out so you can see exactly. This is the one area that we are watching, again, from Red Wing down into Goodhue. When it comes to any of the hail, the estimated hail size has really diminished. Across Goodhue County, it's really dropped off to pea-size hail. Again, if you're getting a lot of pea-size hail and you're getting it on the roads, that could lead to some slick roadways, and that could be an issue, of course. But for the most part, the large hail has diminished in size. The rotation that we saw from the tornado warning has also, that has led to them expire the tornado warning. And right now, the one area that we are focusing on is where we have the flash flood warning and also the severe thunderstorm warning that is in place. Again, it's across Goodhue County, where we have the severe thunderstorm warning until 5:30 p.m. This is the same storm that we did have the tornado warning earlier. So looking at the potential for small hail from this, and also looking at the potential of some heavy rain.